Welcome to the future of cooking, where artificial intelligence isn't just a sci-fi fantasy, it's a reality that's transforming the way we prepare meals. Imagine having a virtual sous chef that never gets tired, never complains, and never judges your late-night snack runs. AI is making cooking easier, faster, and a whole lot more fun. Gone are the days of struggling through complicated recipes or overcooking your pasta while multitasking. Smart kitchen gadgets, powered by AI, can now do the thinking for you. Smart ovens automatically adjust cooking times and temperatures, while AI-driven recipe apps suggest meals based on your preferences and what's in your fridge. No more sad, forgotten veggies going to waste. Meal planning has never been more personalized. AI can tailor recipes based on your dietary needs, whether you're gluten-free, keto, or just trying to eat healthier. It even learns your favorite flavors, suggesting new dishes before you even realize you're in the mood for them. Of course, AI in the kitchen isn't without its quirks. Imagine asking your smart assistant to add a pinch of salt and receiving an enthusiastic suggestion to sprinkle in a dash of joy. While positivity is great, it might not season your soup correctly. AI also has a habit of taking instructions a bit too literally. Telling your smart oven to bake something until golden brown could result in cookies that look more sunburnt than perfectly crisp. Then there's the idea of robotic chefs. The thought of a robot donning a chef's hat and trying to master the art of souffle making it both impressive and hilarious. While AI is great at following precise instructions, it has yet to develop the human touch. Beyond the humor, AI is solving real kitchen challenges. One of its biggest contributions is reducing food waste. By tracking what's in your pantry and suggesting recipes accordingly, AI ensures that every ingredient gets used before it expires. No more buying a random ingredient for one dish and forgetting about it in the back of the fridge. AI is also a game changer for those who lack confidence in the kitchen. Step-by-step guidance and real-time feedback help even the most inexperienced cooks. Instead of guessing what a dash or a pinch means, AI provides precise measurements and instructions, making cooking stress-free. Looking ahead, AI-driven meal kits could become the norm. Imagine receiving a box with perfectly portioned ingredients and an AI-generated recipe that adapts to your cooking speed. No more wondering if you chop the onions too fast or if your sauce is thick enough. Your AI assistant has it covered. Automation is also on the rise. Countertop cooking robots that chop, saute, and plate your meals could soon become a household staple. They'll learn your preferences over time, ensuring that every dish is tailored to your taste. AI is also playing a role in sustainability. By optimizing supply chains and reducing food waste, AI can help create a more efficient food system. Imagine a kitchen that not only prepares meals, but also minimizes your environmental footprint. As AI continues to evolve, our kitchens are becoming more innovative, efficient, and fun. Whether it's reducing food waste, making meal prep easier, or just adding a bit of humor to cooking, AI is proving to be a valuable kitchen companion. So let's embrace this culinary revolution. Whether you're an experienced chef or someone who burns toast, AI is here to make cooking a little easier and a lot more exciting. The future of food is bright, and with AI in the kitchen, it's never been more delicious. If you enjoyed this journey into the world of AI in the kitchen, we'd love for you to stay connected. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more engaging content that dives into the intersection of technology and everyday life. If you found this video helpful or entertaining, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Let's spread the word about the fun and benefits of AI in our culinary adventures. Thank you for joining us, and we can't wait to see you in our next video, where we'll continue to explore the fascinating world of technology and cooking.